Research from Dunbar's numbers suggests we can maintain about 150 meaningful relationships, but the average LinkedIn user has 400 plus connections. Without a system, the most valuable relationships quietly fade away. Create a people database with these properties: name, company, relationship type, friend, colleague, mentor, client, last contact date, next follow-up, interaction log, and strength score, 1 to 5. This is your relationship command center. Every meaningful interaction gets a quick entry: date, channel, coffee, email, call, and one sentence about what you discussed. This takes 30 seconds and pays dividends. When you reconnect months later and remember their daughter's name or their new project, trust compounds. Set follow-up frequencies by relationship tier. Tier 1, close circle every 2 weeks. Tier 2, active network monthly. Tier 3, wider network quarterly. A Notion formula flags overdue contacts with a red indicator, so they surface in your weekly review. Building the complete personal CRM in Notion from scratch. Database setup. Formula for auto-calculating days since last contact. Filtered views for overdue follow-ups. And a meeting prep template that pulls context before each interaction. Start your personal CRM today with my free Notion template. Link below. Add your 20 most important relationships and schedule your first batch of follow-ups this week.